Hello everyone. A couple of days ago I was finishing up my newsletter and decided, why don't I try a new idea? What if we try to do a video newsletter instead? So here's our first attempt. I hope you guys like it. The first news that made our summer, this summer, is called World Class at the First Shot. Our very first graduating class, here they are. They have surprised us all with amazing results in our very first IB exams. Not only we surpassed the world averages, which is hard to do from the very first shot, we also had 44% of our diploma recipients receiving a bilingual diploma. And last but not the least, we have a perfect score. Perfect score is really hard to achieve. Normally, it's about 1% of students who achieve a perfect score. This year, it was 0.1%, placing our student just 1 out of 1,000 in the world who has been able to do it. In the same class, we can see a map here where we have logos of university acceptances for this class, and we can also be really proud of our students. You can see some of the leading universities in the world, including the École Polytechnique in Paris, and also Williams College, which is this year is ranked #1 liberal arts college in the United States. So, the second news that we celebrated this summer was an incredible achievement of one of our graduates, our alumna, at a Astronomy and Astrophysics Olympiad in Poland. And by the way, she's here with us today.
It is an adventure of me and my teachers that supported me throughout my years in the school. A silver medal is an incredible result. In Latvia, it is the best result, and I'm very proud that I was also able to represent Latvia at an international scale along with 50 other countries. I met a lot of people, a lot of good friends, and many friendships are going to stay forever.
So another very interesting event that we were surprised by this summer is a visit of 21 students and teachers from China. And they came to Latvia for a camp, but they decided to visit our school because they are looking for alternative ways of education and they're trying to do it in Shanghai. So they came to visit us. And after a tour of the school, they actually did a very interesting project with our students. And Georgia here, she was helping us during this event and was helping to translate, she was helping to organize it all.
The students from both Exupery and the camp decided to make a drawing together. And the drawing is currently participating in a competition that is about saving the historical heritage of the world.
The school has been very much alive during the summer. One of the very interesting events that happened here literally last weekend, on a Saturday, we were visited by a renowned children's book author, Anna Starobinets. She read to the children her new book, and then she did something really cool. She involved children in brainstorming potential plot continuation for her book. They did it together, everyone had fun, it was super exciting. Anna, best of luck with your new book. Our students are actually taking an exam now. It's not an exam, it's called the individual oral in the IB program. It's a very special part of the English course, English and literature course, where students have to record a monologue about a selected topic. And IB is looking for higher order thinking skills. So it's not just analysis, it's usually a comparison of two works, it's usually putting it in a global perspective. So it's an exciting time for our students, for our seniors. And in our school, we have a really cool privilege for students to do it in our recording studio. Yeah. Just before the last, the news about us ranking top 10 in Latvia amongst all schools in a very special Star Schools ranking in Latvia. I want to also take time here and explain that it's also a very special achievement because international schools typically don't even rank amongst local schools. And we not just participated, but we scored top 10 among all schools in Latvia. And we did it by hiring teachers who are enthusiastic about student learning, spending extra time with students, participating in Olympiads. We are supporting the gifted and talented here, and we keep close ties to the local community, local municipality, and system of education. So congrats to our students, to our community, our teachers. It's also a huge achievement. It was great. As my last rubric, I also have usually something called food for thought. It's something to think about, some new insights into education. And this time, I wanted to talk about social learning. Why? Research shows 95% of our success in life is determined or developed with developing emotional intelligence by the age of 4. And we're putting a huge emphasis on emotional intelligence, developing social skills, self-control, and doing it with a new program called Kimochis. So my food for thought is this week is about the importance of learning and social learning, and that in fact, all learning is social. This was our Heads Up. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.